As a leader, one of the biggest challenges, especially in the tech and entertainment industry, is being able to advocate for your ideas before you're ready to share them. It's being able to bounce back when you feel the rejection is what the best leaders do well. And this is something that tech companies really admire in leaders. You really need to make sure that the experience that you're designing matches the expectations of the leaders that you're designing it for. I graduated in December of 2024, and knowing that, yes, I'm gonna go off and find work or find my next adventure, but I started looking across programs and I saw the MSCI program for Entrepreneurship and Innovation. And I dove right into the master's program. I got here and I started to see all of these other opportunities across campus, like the pitch competitions, the entrepreneurship club, the TAing that you get to do so you can work on tech transfer. And I got to know some of the faculty in the School of Entrepreneurship. And I said, I want to invest in these relationships. And I need to slow down. And I just wanted to be present and be a sponge basically for everything that was happening across the school. When I think back to 10, even 20 years ago when I started my career, I wouldn't have thought it ended up where I am today. Early in my career, I had a lot of uncertainty. I didn't know the path I wanted to take in my career. I didn't see a lot of growth at that time. And it can become a little defeating when you don't know. And I've actually just learned to embrace not knowing. So this award, the Emerging Leader Award, I'm so honored to receive it for this year. And it means to me that I get to inspire someone. You don't have to be a super outspoken or even bold leader. A lot of leadership is quiet and sustaining, and I want to acknowledge that. My leadership is not that way. I still want to be a sponge and build connections, and that's how I got connected to Ryan Keating for this grant application. So, magical things start to happen when you just kind of put yourself out there. When you become siloed in your own world, that's it. You don't see anybody else's world. So keep the doors open, build new relationships. I'm continuing to meet new people every day here.